Alright, so here is the best way on how you can use Qwen to text image generator. So using text image generator is very easy and simple. You just simply have to go to Qwen on your web browser. And right over here, I've already logged in into my account. And once you've done that, what you can do is just simply go to image generation. Now inside image generation, you can literally put in any text that you like to, and it will imagine it and make the picture for you. So let's do something which only AI can do, okay? So let's say like this. So we can actually add more details to it. I'll show you further, but let me show you an example, okay? So here, as you can see, I just asked realistic 4K Iron Man and Spider-Man fighting. So it generated this picture, okay? Which isn't bad. It's looking good. And then I added more details like should be more realistic, and Spider-Man is wearing black suit and Venom is attacking from behind. And it did it like that. And I wasn't specific about Iron Man's suit as well, so it turned it back. Now I did even more, and I said the picture should be hyper realistic, and Avengers are fighting Venom. And here, as you can see, I exactly didn't describe the Iron Man suit, but it's very hyper realistic. So let's see the image that we asked for. And here, as you can see, it's cartoonic now, right? Now I'll ask. So I did that. Now it's just gonna create an image with an extra level of details, and we can pretty much literally ask for the details as well. So we can put as much as detail we like to. So here, as you can see, the difference between these images. Like, yeah, it literally changes the image and gives it more details, and it's very sharp. And I'm actually quite surprised by the way it's done. And here, as you can see, it's a bit more realistic and it's 4K now, and it's pretty good. So, yeah, I hope this tutorial helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.